Hello. It's behind camera, it's okay. What? Hey! Golden Hound? Come on. Hello.
We are having
Hello.
a in the meantime for the calisthenics. Once again, please give a huge applause for them now.
Hello. Who did that? Oh my god. My friends are so abusive. Especially this one. I was waiting for something. Praveen? What? No, please have. I had 2 times. No, I'm having.
First time I saw a lot of.
काटू कैसे राता सावरे जिया नहीं जाता संभावरे कह राता लंबे रे कटे तेरे संग यारे कह राता लंबे रे कटे तेरे संग यारे What happened?
7 incredible teams. Alright, first up, we have the team from KPR, Institute of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore. Make some noise for Dot Robotics. They'll be battling it out with their 8 kgs and 15 kg monsters. The Snow Honey Badger X. It's a roaring monster. Next up, finally we have Kutups. All the way from ABC Kottamangalam. Can we have a big round of applause for Kutups? On that note, ladies and gentlemen, just to get you all in the mood, just to bring up the tension a little bit, we have a small showcase. Alright? We have a small showcase from none other than Vortex with their incredible pod inside. Make some noise for Mad Dog!
I want to see with friends. They're doing the lockdown.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, inside the arena,
That is the robot.
we have none other than
I
Mad
thought
Dog.
this is a very small one.
What you're hearing right now is the incredible RPM on that particular plane.
Oh!
This robot is made by NITT. NITT and students are they export from somewhere else. We don't know. This is robot is built by who's controlling them?
Team Honey Badger. Alright, Team Honey Badger, are we ready? Yes? Alright, Team Mousetrap, are we ready? Alright, on that note, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, are we ready? Alright, give us a countdown from 10. Come on, 10, 9, 8, 6,
4, 2, 1!
Alright, let's battle, come on! Check. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's officially start the countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey!
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Honey Badger
Hey!
that claims a first win. This was a case of loss of mobility. Mousetrap, thank you for playing. Better luck next time. Ladies and gentlemen, Honey Badger bags the first win at the incredible Robo Wars 2025.
Hi all.
अरे
Hi.
बढ़ जाएगा मेरे vlog में
अच्छा लग रहा था क्या?
How's Tarang? I mean, Tarang, Tatwa. How's Tatwa?
So, dinner screenshot. Turn around your phone. Then it's check.
I don't go anywhere without Shandini.
The disappointment in my face cannot be shown. We actually found a place. Please show that. We can send letters. We can send letters to people, and out of nowhere, I had the idea to send Praveen's mother in Bihar a message letter, but then he was very shy, and because I wanted to write a very special letter, but then we decided to do the impossible. I wrote a letter to Shah Rukh Khan. I found his address and I wrote something, and we got post over here. We have no idea what's going to happen, but let's see. If he answers, he answers.
Yeah.
So, what's your name actually? Nice meeting you. Thanks for the opportunity. Studying in Law College, by the way.
You are from Kerala only. Where? Palakkad. Okay.
Thank you.
Which year, bro? First year. Oh.
Day 2 Tatwa. What are we up to?
Hi guys, welcome to day 2 Tatwa.
Hey. Hi Logopriya.
Hi, Vanakkam.
Hi. Hi Praveen.
Hi, we came
So-
for Mentalist show and we are just seeing the show
Yes.
where nobody is here.
And this is the mental guy.
He ran from the hospital.
Okay.
I really like your second part name, Prince. And
High five. What?
Yeah.
Praveen's dupe is here. Day 2 of Tatwa. Let's go. We are in the architecture department. They've got ads here going on. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right.
Illusion room.
Illusion room. Huh. They've got all kinds of crazy stuff.
किसी का दिल टूटा हुआ पड़ा है.
मेरा दिल टूट गया. How do they get my heart? कैसे? The sack is here, Avinash. Hello. Avinash is leading the way. He's representing us, Tarang. Oh, you're leading the way. Dark room is light. Oh my god.
If they have to let us, it will be so good.
We should go inside. Guys, come. Is there something there? Is it still building?
Oh, this is not dark room.
This is a dark room.
Yeah, see this. The shadow. It's
Wait, you see a girl?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay. I know this. Damn. You see what's there and what's there.
Yeah, creativity.
No, that's not what. Okay. My God.
This guy is smoking and that guy is drinking. The drinking smoking.
Damn. क्या ऐसा? Abey, don't say that. Let's see the Chinese architecture.
you are able to fix it.
That's too
Let's see the
deep.
Chinese architecture, guys.
Yeah, Chinese architecture.
Wow.
Wow.
Donia will be very happy with the results of that shot.
Yeah. Please show.
Okay, let's see this. What's here? Put it on. Okay. Shadows coming. It's coming. It came. Show reduce the bright. Oh yeah.
What the shadow is like Mahatma Gandhi. Yeah.
One
I
minute.
think it's APG.
Somebody is there.
Slide shows.
I'm trying to look who's that. Not getting it.
Who's that? I think it's the. No.
Who's the guess? We got it. Okay, now I found it out.
Yeah, now it's busy.
Okay, what's here?
Hello.
Aditya is trying to fix the lights. What do we see over here? So we're in the dark room of illusions. Great work by the people in architecture. I'm ending it. Over here.
Like there's nothing mentioned over here. Like what is this actually?
See, Praveen's Batman, nobody told. Praveen is contemplating.
You took the photo of that?
Yeah. Hey, Logopriya.
Guys,
Logopriya is playing.
I think it's Chacha.
Is on. Logopriya is on fire. See, now I can make my assumptions are correct. Logopriya is on something. Logopriya is high. Logopriya would do anything to win. She used. No. She's playing chess.
I never competed.
You want video proof of losing?
Video proof of losing.
I actually was trying to say the same.
You know what? I'm going to be white.
Yeah, I also want.
Okay. Come on, Donia.
Follow the rule.
Follow the rule. Don't play chess like Logopriya.
Don't take inspiration from W3.
Hey, hey, take that and shoot. Take that and shoot.
She's waiting.
She's waiting. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Happens in life. Hello. Hi, Donia.
Waiting for the better performance.
So guys, that's the end of day 2. What all is happening to Donia today? It's not Donia's day today.
It's not mine.
Donia is getting roasted by the guys, by strangers.
He should cry.
What?
He should cry. You can take it.
You were about to get that.
It's the final day of Tatva, but the starting.
One city are led by just little bit.
I called you at 5. I told you let's go at 5. Hey, what? Hey. Yeah, he showed attitude, right? He told, hey, I'm not coming. I'll come after 6.
Suppose if you have a work, that doesn't mean you are showing attitude, huh?
You're showing a lot of attitude.
He was calling his girlfriend and saying that he was.
Hey,
Yeah.
Look, I made this and I couldn't get.
It's okay.
You deserve to cry.
It's okay, Tiger.
3 times.
Hey, but that guy saying you deserve to cry and all was funny actually. Hey, Donia was actually about to cry. See her eyes. I am just waiting for Caroline and all to come. We have got the frame. We got the frame. Please, that's where the frame was. We got the frame. Happy? Yeah, where's Caroline? I'm waiting for Caroline now. She's eating. Okay, surprise for you guys. No frame, nothing. Time is over. They went home. Hey, that's Donia's hard work, huh? That's Donia's hard work. Hey, that's Donia's hard work. What is this? Hey, take it. Don't do that.
உட்காந்து கட்டில இருந்து அவன் கோழன் எவன்டா சொன்னது கொலைங்க பண்ணது அப்புறம் நல்லது கெட்டது என்னடா இப்ப நான் பண்றது நம்மள கடை திருவில்ல கடவன கடக்குது ஒரு சேலம் மதுரை திண்டுக்கல்லு என்ன தேடி வந்து நீ சொல்ல சொல்லு நீங்க சொன்ன கதையில உனக்கு எது ரொம்ப பிடிச்சதோ அதை பிடிச்சிக்கோ இல்ல பிடிக்கலனாலும் புரிஞ்சுக்கோ என்ன தெரிஞ்சுக்கோ தக்க தள்ளு வர சொல்லு தண்ணி மொல்லு ஒரு தாகம் கிட்டுப்ப வேகம் தகர போட்டு தக்குன்னு வேகம் உயிர் போகும்
हम तेरे बिन अब रह नहीं सकते तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा तुझसे जुदा अगर हो जाएंगे तो खुद से ही हो जाएंगे जुदा क्योंकि तुम ही हो So that's the end of Satwa. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.